There's a little post. January 6th, Mark Kieran, running for Senate. Sheriff. Anyway, sheriffs and police department taught millions of people, and health districts and doctors taught them if you're comatose, not breathing very well, turning blue from lack of oxygen, making funny breathing noises, deny risky breathing, and pound on a beating heart. Taught millions of people to do that, and they haven't said anything. It's been going on for years.
Yeah, I'm Thomas Barani from New Jersey.
Can you show us your hand?
Yeah.
How did you get that on your hand?
Well, we had stormed into the chambers inside, and there was a young lady who rushed through the windows. A number of police and Secret Service were saying, get back, get down, get out of the way. She didn't heed the call, and as we kind of raced up to grab people, pull them back, they shot her in the neck, and she fell back on me and started saying she was fine, it's cool. And then she started kind of like moving weird, and blood was coming out of her mouth and neck and nose, and I don't know if she's alive or dead anymore.
And how did you get back out of the building?
Riot police came in and started ushering us out with their sticks.
Where did you enter the building and where did you exit?
Other side with the scaffolding. We tore through the scaffolding through flashbangs and tear gas and blitzed our way in through all the chambers, just trying to get into Congress or whoever we could get into and tell them that we need some kind of investigation into this. And what ends up happening is someone might have ended up dead. And that's not the kind of government we can have. People have to do something about it. I can't.
If you need any help at all, EMS is right there.
I'm not injured. It could have been me, but she went in first. It was one of us.
Thank you for telling us your story.
Yeah. Just make sure people know, because this cannot stand anymore. This is wrong. They don't represent anyone. Not Republican, Democrat, Independent, nobody. And now they'll kill people.
Who are you saying will kill people?
I don't. Police, congressmen and women, they don't care. I mean, they think we're a joke. $2,000 checks was a joke to them. You know, there's people filming us, laughing at us as we march down the street. At the Department of Justice, there's a man in the window laughing at us, filming us. And here it was a joke to them until we got inside, and then all of a sudden guns came out. But I mean, we're at a point now it can't be allowed to stand. We have to do something. People have to do something, because this could be you or your kids.
Thank you, Tom.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Unbelievable. You're the cause of your own death. They've taught millions of people all the signs of breathing emergency, and then deny rescue breathing and pound on a beating heart. And you didn't say anything when they taught you? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It continues for years and years and years. Anyway, and I knew it at 5 years old. You tell me those signs, comatose, labored shallow breathing, turning blue from lack of oxygen, making funny breathing noises, that proves your heart's beating and you need air or you're gonna die. Don't be pounding on a beating heart. Murder. And they're doing it. Millions of you taught to do it by the police and the government and the medical profession. Unbelievable. Read the comment box, that'll be there, the info.